Find or read reviews that people are talking about Hykolity electric garage heater. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Fan-forced design and 2 heat settings. Adopted the fan-forced design, our electric garage heater further distributes the warmth throughout the space based on convective heat transfer, maximizing the heating performance. Additionally, 2 auto-change settings, 5600 Watt/19112 BTU and 8500 Watt/29010 BTU, help you select the best matched heat to fit your space and save more energy. Efficient heating and energy saving. Equipped with the built-in thermostat, this electric heater for garage will cycle on and off to maintain your space's temperature as well as save more on energy bills. Besides, the overheat protection will be activated while overheated, then turn the heater off automatically, ensuring its safe and long-term usage. Targeted heating and durable structure. With multiple vertical mounting angles, 0°/22.5°/45°/90°, and the adjustable louver, this ceiling mount heater will help you direct the airflow precisely to where you need most, making sure more efficient heating. Moreover, heavy-duty steel construction makes it durable enough to withstand the temperature fluctuation in poorly insulated area. Convenient to control. Our garage heater is able to be controlled by panel and remote. Dual controlling ways make it easier to adjust the temperature you want. In addition, the timer function allows you to set the timer, 1 to about 8 hours, to shut your heater down automatically and save more on energy bills at the same time. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.